Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome back to my channel. So guys, we are here with lesson number 5 where we are going to learn how to form letters that involve ascending stroke and how to do the formation, and we'll learn how to construct those letters. So yeah, let's get started with the class. Talking about we in our previous class, we have this discussion over the formation of letters that were in the between the base and the waistline. But here we will be talking about the letters that involve the ascenders. And yeah, let me just show you what are ascenders first of all. So those who don't know what is ascender, I have just told you that this is called as ascender, and this is the descender curve. So these are the two curves that involve formation of letters. So let's see what are the words that involve the formation of these descenders. So I will talk. We have already covered the letters A, C, E, I, and M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W. So these are the letters that we have already covered in our lesson number uh, 3 and 4. And in this lesson number 5, we will talk about the letters that involve the descenders. So let's take the letters. The first example I'll take is of B. So let's see how B is made in calligraphy. So it is actually, it looks something like this. Okay, so this is B. How we make in calligraphy, or just extend, you can extend it here to make it more aesthetic. So, or you just can write B, very simple B. Okay, so I will tell you that when we were when we are writing on this line, so this line is called as the baseline, right? And the letters that involve the only the curves that are in between the waistline, the height, the waistline decides the height of the letters. Okay, so you can also make B, like this. So it will be, so here you can see that the letter size, the font size is large. And why is it large? Because we considered that this is the baseline, this is the waistline. So this is what, that is why the size of the letter is big. This was X height, but here I will take this middle line as the waistline, and the line which is above this, it will be the ascender line. Okay, so this is the ascender line, and ascender line is the line where up to which we extend our ascenders to. So let's take this example and see how B is made. So if you watch B, the simple B, it is actually nothing but a downstroke and an oval. But this time, it's not oval which we used to make from this, but it will be turned anti-clock. So it was clockwise, sorry, anti-clockwise, and here we are making clockwise, right? So downward curve and this oval, which is a clockwise, okay? Just reverse of the O, right? So let's make B. Downstroke and backward oval. You can say it's a backward oval, okay? So it's a backward oval. And you can also like make it this way. You just make an ascender and then an oval. Make an ascender and then an oval. Ascender and then an oval. Backward oval. Ascender and then make a backward oval. So you are going to make B like this. Ascender and a backward oval. Okay, that's about B. Let's take another letter, which is H. Let's form H. H it looks like this, or or it can look like this. Okay, so you can make it both the ways. So it is actually nothing but an ascender and then join and overturn. It makes your H. Ascender and then overturn. So this is how you are making H. Ascender and then overturn. This is H. Let's move to our next letter, which is P. Okay, let's see the formation of P. This is P. So what is P actually? It is an ascender which goes below the baseline. Okay, it goes below the baseline, and then you make a backward oval. So making a backward oval, you have made a P. So ascender and then a backward oval. Ascender and a backward oval. This is P. Or you can just make a downward curve and do not make a loop, just a downward curve and a backward oval. This is P. Next, we'll see the formation of T. T is T can be like this, or you can make T as like this. So what it is actually, it is nothing but an ascender curve and adding a cross curve. So it's a cross curve, and you just add an ascender and a cross curve, you form T, or just a downward curve and T. So it's a cross curve and a downward curve. Adding what do you call as end curve. This is how you make T. Next we'll see L. How you make L. L looks very simple. This is L. So what is actually L? It's a start curve and an ascender curve and then an end curve. So when you match all of that together, you see in a start curve and then make a loop and then come all the way down to the baseline and then make this curve. So this is how you make L. This is L. Next we will form the letter K. So K is looks like this. Okay, or K looks like this as well. This is basically the one which I make, and I'll show you the formation. It is actually an ascender, and then a backward oval, and then downward curve. So you have to just like mix all of that, backward oval, and then a curve that goes down. This is how you are going to make K. And our last is actually F. Okay, so F looks like this. Okay, so let's see what is actually F. This is actually an ascender, and then add a descender, backward descender. We know what is a descender. This is a descender. Okay, but if you flip it, this is a descender, and you flip it, it becomes a backward descender. So it doesn't goes here, but it goes on the other way round. Okay, so it is a backward descender. So here it is a backward descender. We are adding to an ascender, and we see that, and then add a curve, which you can say an end curve. So it becomes F ascender, and then extend, add a backward descender, and you can make F. So this is F. So this is about today's video, and we'll cover the other letters in lesson number 6, because it will become very long video. So I don't want to make this video very long. I will describe the rest of the letters in the next chapter. That was all about the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something new. And if you're interested to learn calligraphy, you can join me here, and you can support me by subscribing my channel. And if you have any question, or if you have any queries or any suggestion, you can uh, write in the comment section. You can comment, and I'll be very glad to answer that. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.